You must watch this entire video. It will blow your head, I promise. The details of Ripple's impending legal victory over the SEC are becoming increasingly clear. After 4 arduous years of waiting, our moment of glory has finally arrived. According to experts, XRP's price could soar to $1,000 and higher. Is it not unbelievable? Let's dissect each one individually. Disclaimer: the lengthy legal dispute between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission seems to be coming to an end, and recent events have the cryptocurrency world feeling hopeful. After a U.S. court granted its request to accelerate the ultimate ruling in its action against the SEC, Ripple, the company that created XRP, recently gained momentum. This action might finish the legal battle that has been going on since December 2020, which was a turning point for the entire cryptocurrency sector, not just Ripple. Although Ripple was fined $125 million for institutional sales, Judge Annalisa Torres decided in August that the company's sale of XRP to secondary markets did not contravene securities regulations. Notwithstanding this partial victory for Ripple, the SEC attempted to challenge some portions of the decision in October by filing a notice for appeal. In response, Ripple filed a counter-appeal, indicating that it was committed to settling the matter amicably. Crypto Dad, also known as Christopher Giancarlo, a former chair of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, has contributed his voice to the discussion. In a recent interview, Giancarlo, a long-standing supporter of XRP, said the token was never a security and blasted the SEC's approach to the matter. He contended that the SEC ought to reconsider its harsh tactics against Ripple and other cryptocurrency firms, emphasizing that the Commission's strategy has hindered advancement in the American crypto market. According to Giancarlo and other observers, the regulatory environment may change as a result of the impending change in SEC leadership. The crypto industry has been quite critical of SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who announced his departure with effect from January 2024. Giancarlo hypothesized that the Ripple case might be given a complete second look by the future SEC chair. According to a Good Morning Crypto survey, 94% of participants were certain that the lawsuit would be dropped under the new leadership. Charles Gasparino, a Fox Business journalist, agreed, arguing that the SEC's reputation has been damaged by its litigation-heavy approach. Although the Commission has brought legal action against well-known companies like Kraken, Coinbase, and KuCoin, Gasparino pointed out that Ripple's case has highlighted the shortcomings in the SEC's regulatory structure. The price of XRP has increased in response to these events. XRP saw a slight increase after Gensler announced his resignation, indicating rising market confidence. Both legal counsel Stuart Alderode and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse have voiced their confidence in the case's outcome, describing the most recent decisions as a win for justice and clarity in cryptocurrency legislation. A precedent for the classification and regulation of cryptocurrencies in the United States may be established by the possible dismissal of the Ripple case. Additionally, it would bolster the case for more transparent and encouraging regulations for blockchain innovation. Rumored to be a candidate for the role of crypto czar, Giancarlo stressed the significance of developing a regulatory framework that protects investors while promoting growth. Therefore, Ripple's most recent court triumph represents more than just a win, it's revolutionary. Imagine a time in the future where XRP is not only exempt from SEC investigation but also at the forefront of the worldwide cryptocurrency adoption movement. What impact does this have on XRP's price? Experts are foretelling a major event, and I promise you won't want to miss it. This price forecast isn't your typical one. The market as a whole might be redefined by this. Keep an eye out because the growth that lies ahead may astound you. Thus, the fervor surrounding XRP is intensifying. The potential is astounding as analysts, enthusiasts, and even developers create a picture. Would XRP actually be worth $17, $100, or even $1,000? As experts and influencers offer their opinions on the future of Ripple's native coin, the latest round of X forecasts is both exciting and contentious. Excitation has been stoked by tweets from well-known cryptocurrency personalities. "You will become an XRP multimillionaire," Jack the Rippler declared boldly, as crypto XRP gets ready to take off with $17 in the horizon. More audaciously, Kenny Nguyen quoted a specialist who said that XRP might easily hit $100, dismissing worries about market capitalization. Javon provided an interesting prediction for those monitoring XRP's past performance. XRP might hit $3 and then $99 in the future. From here, $99 is a 69x. According to Crypto Barbie, these forecasts are in line with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's vision of a quickly growing cryptocurrency economy. Brad said that he most likely underestimated it. We have only just begun. One of the most audacious predictions was made by cryptocurrency analyst Brett, who predicted that XRP may eventually reach $1,000 in value. He bases his argument on the possibility that the global banking industry will change and move toward tokenized banking systems that depend on digital assets like XRP for liquidity. According to Brett, XRP's well-established function as a bridge currency will make it a crucial reserve asset for banks in the future. The reasoning is obvious. Large XRP reserves will be necessary when institutions embrace tokenized banking in order to facilitate smooth cross-border transactions. When combined with XRP's limited supply, this increasing demand could push prices to unthinkable levels. Price is not the only factor that might limit the possibilities. Brett's post demonstrates how XRP has the potential to transform banking by substituting tokenized reserves for debt-based liquidity. This change might solidify XRP's usefulness and long-term worth and signal a sea change in world banking. The potential of XRP is still intriguing and contentious. And its journey is far from done. Even though the $1,000 projection may seem ambitious, it highlights the widespread confidence in XRP's transformational potential. One thing is certain, regardless of your level of optimism or skepticism, beyond just a cryptocurrency, XRP is more. It is a wager on the direction of international finance. According to Brett Apley, XRP may be a good investment to make now while it's still inexpensive, since it has the potential to completely change the financial landscape in ways that we're only now starting to comprehend. Isn't that unbelievable? However, that is only the beginning. We haven't even begun discussing the most recent affiliates of Ripple, partners with enough sway that they potentially revolutionize the adoption of XRP. Imagine XRP surpassing $1,000 due to widespread use. Now, employ these powerful partnerships to increase that influence. I promise you that this is the most bullish indicator we have yet to see, and everything is about to change because of it. Therefore, the widespread use of Ripple's XRP could cause its price to rise to previously unheard of heights, possibly as much as $1,000. Although this may seem like a bold forecast, it becomes clearer as you begin to watch the puzzle pieces fit together. The goal of Ripple has always been to transform cross-border transactions, and as more multinational organizations adopt its technology, XRP's potential to become the foundation of global banking increases rapidly. The adoption of XRP by governments and central banks is one of the biggest drivers of its possible ascent. As part of its digital rupee push, the Reserve Bank of India has announced a partnership with Ripple. This collaboration isn't your typical one. In the realm of central bank digital currencies, this is a significant indication of the increasing adoption of Ripple's XRP ledger. XRP is a great option for these types of applications because of its capacity to manage quick, inexpensive, and secure transactions. Furthermore, other nations are looking at this option besides India, is already significant, and it may experience an unprecedented spike in demand if XRP is kept being incorporated into global financial institutions as a bridge currency. XRP may end up serving as the standard bridge between nations as more test tokenized versions of their fiat currencies. India and other nations with a large population and a thriving digital economy are just the beginning. Crucially, XRP is already in a strong position as a cross-border solution. Institutional transactions as well as retail payments are supported by Ripple's technology. The usage of stablecoins for payments is expected to be a big trend, and Ripple is already seeing a lot of interest in this space, said Monica Long, president of Ripple.